The Computer Integrated Machining program at Fayetteville Technical Community College, in partnership with the North Carolina Advanced Manufacturing Alliance, prepares students to enter high-tech, advanced manufacturing jobs. From the design lab to the machine shop floor, students learn to create and interpret blueprints, set up manual and CNC machines, perform machining operations, and work to ensure quality is maintained. The program offers flexible learning options, structured student support services, mobile learning programs promoting access to online courses and learning applications. The curriculum is enhanced by iTunes University, digital content, and manufacturing career guidance. FTCC's Computer Integrated Machining program offers high school and early college partnerships, associate degrees, and customized industry training. Contact Vanessa Cogdell or Gary Smith at 910-678-8427 for more details.